Hey guys, so I got 6 of the Kinder Joy Funko Jurassic World Rebirth Kinder Eggs, and I got 6, and let's see what we get. So let's go through it. Oh, this is a chocolate side. Okay, never mind. One of these ones. Alright, now let's get into it. Oh, it's the other one because the spoon is there. Okay. Okay, we got a checklist. It shows you how to... Oh, I got the Brachiosaurus. Nice. That was actually the one that I wanted from what I saw on the box. But it's not in the picture. Oh, I guess there's like a game thing with the QR code. Oh, there's my dinosaur. Okay. Well. Oh, that's so cool. Well, I can't do that with my phone because I'm using my phone film. Alright. That's so cute. I was like, oh, so it's... Oh my god. I love it. My favorite dinosaur is the long neck one, so I'm very happy with this one. Next, we got this one right here. That was a picture I didn't bother with anything. Oh, very cute though. Love the colorway. Oh, lost it. This turn. Okay. This one. I think it was true. It's supposed to be attached. Okay, so this one is on here. Well, I think it's so. Before, like, don't know enough. Okay, there you go. Very cute. I realize all the pulls I've got so far are all herbivores. Oh, the Jurassic one? Which one is this? Finally a carnivore. If you all know the name of this dinosaur, let me know. Also the other ones, all of them, if I'm messing up their names. Alright, so that's one. Is this? Is it because it's holding you? That's why it looks like this? It's not on it. Yeah, I'm not certain, but there it is. It looks like a velociraptor. Nice.